All right, broskies, we're doing some Friday, Black Friday shopping with Alfonso. I think he's gonna buy a toolbox right here at Home Depot. Looking at this one, it's $5.48, but I'm telling him this one's like mine. Yeah. So check it out. Which one are you gonna take away? This one's $5.48, and then this one's $8.98.
So exciting one.
Just fucking
I
flip.
think I'm gonna go with this one, and the price difference I'll just buy it with tools.
Yeah. Yeah, because this one's like $350 cheaper. With $350, you can buy tools.
Yeah, you can buy a shitload of tools.
Yep. Check it out. This is like the one I have, but mine's Milwaukee. This one's pretty cool too.
It's deeper too.
It's wider, not deeper. Deeper way means it's wider way, like this way. This is pretty cool. Wait, do you even work on cars?
Huh?
Do you even work on cars?
Yeah, I do my own oil changes.
Just get a little baggy way. Get a little baggy way, un little helmet, como el de fucking
Bob the Builder?
como el de Bob the Builder. Perfect. Sin nalguitas. Hey, wey, ¿dónde dejaste las nalgas? So yeah, this one. Oh, this is just the bottom part for $3.98. I'm guessing. Yeah.
No, this is the
bottom part.
No, this one's the one with the workbench on top.
Oh. It's kind of like this one.
Yeah.
Órale. I say just take a big one, way.
I'm even thinking about this one.
También. I think at Harbor Freight they're cheaper.
I had a Harbor Freight one and como que no estaba nivelada, güey.
Oh no?
I sold that shit for more than I bought it.
So which one are you gonna get then? Oh, check this one out. $3.98. Okay, pedo. If I were to choose for you, I'd probably get this one. The $5.98 one. Or the $5.48 one. And then
They have the other one, the $3.48 one, on the front. And let's go check that out.
check it out. Estás peor que mi vieja, güey. Güey, ni a mi vieja acompaño shopping, güey. Te ando acompañando a ti, güey. You should feel special. Everything's cheap. Oh, yeah. No, this one's $6.98. I think está allá atrás, güey. Probably this one. Oh, no, this one's on Milwaukee. Maybe this one. Huh? Yeah, what already comes with tools. Psych.
Psych?
Just a picture of tools, güey. Which one?
Mira, esa tiene Home Depot.
Oh yeah, sick. I could just buy one of those for mine. Fácil, güey.
Okay, güey.
The one over there?
Five.
The $5.98. I think that's the best deal, güey. Yeah, because all of these are $8.98. The only difference is that the width. So that other one's cheaper because I think it's about this size from here to like right here.
Es igual que la de atrás, ¿no?
Yeah. Alright, broskies, I'm gonna go to the Milwaukee section. A ver qué me encuentro for me.
So I decided I'm gonna get the $5.98 one, the first one we were checking out. A ver si me la llevan. Free delivery.
Yeah, because I ain't working today, bro. Philly Soul is not working today, bro. Don't even start. What?
There's a clearance area, isn't there?
I don't know. Cordless LED. You know what I'm trying to look for? I'm trying to look for a vacuum, a cordless, like the. I hope Milwaukee makes them. Is it this one? Compact vacuum. Aquí está, güey.
That's the one we have at work.
Yeah. Is it good?
It's alright for like small shit, but
No. I want one for the car. Do they make one? Do they make them or not?
Oh, you need to plug into a cigarette lighter?
No way. A battery one, pero que tenga power. Because this one's a small one, a small battery. Do you see it or no? I think that's the only one they have. It looks pretty small, way. I don't think it'll clean up the car good. Especially with my little girls que hacen un cochinero. Yeah, so. Fuck, I wish we could try it out. Dice. It's not even here. What's right here? 34 CFMs. That's a little bit, no? Alright, broskies. I found what I was looking for, but que pedo. $300? No mames. 2 times more suction, way. Hey, I need me one of these, way. More suction, way.
Fucking suction.
Alfonso doesn't suction anymore. Damn, I like it, but I don't know about $300. A lot. Ahí está, mira. Oh, ahí está. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's it. $300, no mames. Oh shit, this is sick, huh? You can carry it, como pinche Ghostbuster. Yeah, now it's gonna fuck me up. Yeah. Damn, I kind of want it. Shit. 55 CFMs max airflow, and the other little one was 34. Damn, I would have done it if it was like at least 150, but nah, yeah, I'm gonna pass. Cause I already have one of those. I have, oh no, yeah, fuck the extension. I don't like using extensions. Yeah, I already have one of those, so it's all right. We good. What else, way? Are you gonna order it online or are you gonna get it here?
I think online because I have a code for a fucking discount.
Vámonos pues. That's it. 16 gallon, wait, pues busca 6 gallon. So there, look, 119.
Era $99.
Ooh. Da 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 da. Try to pull his butt out. All right, so I talked to one of the Home Depot workers, and he said that they should work for the cars. So he said that it should have enough power for the car. So I'm gonna take it. It's only $60, so fuck it. Better than $300. La verga. Oh. We do that.
Look up. It should be on your Black Friday.
You work here, bro? You work here? Alright, broski, so I ended up getting a small little heater from my little girl's room and
A little carpet
for the room. So, and then what happened to your toolbox, way?
We're gonna pick it up as soon as they send me a confirmation email.
So he bought it online, and then they were gonna charge you like $100 for shipping, huh?
Yeah.
Bros, we live like 2 minutes away, so instead of him paying $100 shipping, he's gonna pay me $100.
What the fuck? I thought I wasn't taking you to eat.
Hey, wait, it's gonna cost you $100 to take me to eat. Alfonso's like, no, I'll just take you to eat instead of paying the $100. Little does he know, where I want to go eat, he's gonna pay more than $100.
Pinche dollar menu, güey.
I want a steak, bro.
Mariscos o qué, güey?
Mariscos or steak, way. All right, broskis, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button for this baller ass food right here.
What the?
All right, broskis, Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. ¿Por qué me apagas la luz, güey?
Nice one, huh? Yeah. There's a little kindness one in this here.
Alright, broskies. The little toolbox is up. Strapped and loaded. Vámonos. So I used the winch. I strapped it down from the bottom just so it doesn't go forward or back, and then just these so it doesn't flip over. Should be fine though. We're only going like down the street. ¿Listo, gordo? ¿Listo?
Listo.
Vámonos. Alright, broskies, mission accomplished. Toolbox is in Alfonso's pad. We're gonna go home o qué pedo? Work on the 350 o qué?
I'm already home, güey.
Aquí quédate pues, güey. Stay here then, bitch.